What's up, everybody? I'm the coach and this is G Daddy Media. Today I'm going to show you how to take care of a rusty and worn out light fixture. This right here could end up looking pretty decent. Save yourself some money. So today I am going to sand this down and I'm going to paint it black and turn it back into something that's pretty good looking. This was a light fixture that came with the house. It's kind of embarrassing that this is in this shape right here, but we're gonna take care of it. So let's get to work. I thought it made more sense just to take the light fixture apart so you can get to it a little better. You know, sometimes you gotta use your brain. Before I start to paint, I want to make sure that I covered up the socket. I'm not too worried about the getting paint on the socket holder itself. I just didn't want to get paint inside of the socket. So we are ready to start painting. This fixture was in my bathroom, and that is where all the rust comes from because of the showers you've had. You know, water's going to get on everything. Make sure you get some type of paint that has rust prevention in it. Rust-Oleum is good. I just happen to get this, you know, it's a little cheap brand from my favorite store, Dollar General. So let's get started. If you want to start off with some primer, you can. I'm just deciding not to, you know. I'm just going ahead and get it done. Just 2 minutes. Get on that side.
I got stuff.
2 minutes? You can't help me out for 2 minutos, por favor. Alright, so here's the finished product. What do you guys think? Later for the negative comments. But you can say whatever you want. It still looks good.